There is a question from Himanshu. How can anyone who is staying away from his hometown contribute to something like that? And even I'm thinking about how can someone who lives away can contribute to something good at home. What do you think about it?
There are many ways to do that. I was one of those people who stayed outside my hometown, but that एक वो जो magnet है ना, भागलपुर का magnet है, चुंबक मेरे को पुल करके यहाँ ले आया. But initially I was doing it from far away.
Okay.
And दूर से बहुत सारी चीज की जा सकती है. For example, like I said, if we are working on the mapping part, तो आपके पास कोई expertise ऐसी है जो आप दूर से भी कर सकते हो. For example, कोई GIS में expert हो, कोई for example, if you're very good in doing infographics, if you're very good in web management, simple examples hai. You know, you need to connect with the organizations who are already working here. There's people, but there are many other organizations who are doing excellent work. So उन चीजों में आप उसको identify कीजिए, where you आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि where you can connect with, where you're feeling, you know, really comfortable उनको contribute करने में, and together, why don't you, you know, discuss and do some partnership कीजिए. Organizations like ours, we need volunteers. We need people who can contribute to our work. We need people who can really, you know, help us, you know, guide us. Technology आपके पास है. For example, Nayan ji sitting in Germany, he might give us some technology from there. He might take some learnings and pass it on to us. You know, simple, these things, little things.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's a very good thing. And this is from the Facebook from Amrendra Bharti. He has asked that what do you feel about the officials that are from the government body? How aware are they about cleanliness or the green drive in the city? How aware or how updated are they, the government officials?
I don't know how to answer that. If you see things, we have faced a lot of issues at the ground level. We have been working very closely with the municipal corporation earlier. I have always felt that kind of efforts we have put in Jabalpur, had we put in this kind of effort elsewhere, we would have reached some, you know, एक किसी stage में पहुंच गए होते. So somewhere those things are missing over here.
Okay.
And actually the municipal corporation के जो commissioner थे, he was, वो बहुत समझदार थे, बहुत समझने वाले थे, ये सारे issues को समझने वाले थे. Even then, you know, उनका intent होते हुए भी things didn't move on the ground. So there are issues, there are red tapeism issues, बहुत तरह के issues हैं, and
we have to
maybe हमारा approach हो सकता है सही नहीं रहा हो सकता है कोई और आए better approach से करें. They might be, you know, lucky.
Okay.
But yeah.
Okay.